Draw super sentences. First of all, I want you to remember to put your name right here at the top. And it says draw to complete the sentence. Then write the sentence below. So for sentence number 1, you have your who. We have the character in our sentence, the fireman. Does what? Here I can see he's saving the kitten. But now my setting, where is he doing that? I want you to draw a picture here of the setting. Where is this fireman saving the kitten? Draw the picture here, and then you're going to write a sentence. The fireman is saving the kitten from the building, or whatever it is that you wrote. Remember, you have to be able to check that you have a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence. No other letter should be capitalized. Punctuation, you should have a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point at the end of your sentence. Spaces between words, and your handwriting, you should be writing neatly on these lines. Then you're going to go to sentence 2. We don't know who, but we can see here that there's somebody checking this dog, and they're at a vet or an animal hospital. So who would be there? Draw the character, and then write your sentence here for number 2. Again, use your checklist. When you're done, make sure that you've followed all the directions, and you can put this in the My Best Work side of your folder.